Hi guys, today we have with us the entry-level Galaxy M02 from Samsung. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. And then we will take a quick look at its top features. The box is white in color with the name and picture of the phone printed on top. At the back, you can see the specification details with its display, battery and camera getting a special mention. Opening the box, you'll find the phone on top. Inside the lid, you will see a compartment that holds the warranty, user manual and other documents. Now let's take out the phone and keep it aside. Next up, you get the charging brick and the USB Type-A to Type-C cable. That's all for the unboxing. Now let's check out the top features of the Galaxy M02. Display. The Samsung Galaxy M02 packs a large 6.5-inch Infinity V display with a small notch on top that features the front-facing camera. The display offers an HD resolution of 720 by 1600p, which is understandable given its budget-friendly nature. The large display should make it a very good option for gaming or content consumption. Battery. Samsung's M series of smartphones tend to offer large batteries, and the Galaxy M02 is no different. The phone packs a huge 5000 mAh battery that is tipped to offer 24 hours of talk time with 4G LTE enabled. Camera. At the back of the Samsung Galaxy M02 is a dual camera setup consisting of a 13MP plus 2MP configuration. The 13MP unit is the primary unit used for taking photos, while the 2MP sensor sports a macro lens. For selfies, the phone sports a 5MP unit at the front. Design. While the Samsung Galaxy M02 may feature a huge battery, the phone is still relatively slim at 9.1mm. Not only that, but the device also features a striped rear panel, which makes it stand out. The phone has a blue, red, grey or black color options, so buyers can pick one best suited to their tastes. Memory. The Samsung Galaxy M02 is available in two memory variants, namely 2GB RAM and 3GB RAM, so buyers can pick one best suited to their needs and budget. Both the variants offer 32GB of built-in storage, which can be further expanded by up to 1TB via microSD card. This was an unboxing and quick look at the Samsung Galaxy M02. Thanks for watching.